acknowledge that I'm on Gumbaynggirr Nation and acknowledge the significant role that traditional owners play in both the management of the land and the sea country. So here we are at Woolgoolga Estuary. It's a really important example of an estuarine system that provides a buffer between the land and the sea. In this particular case, it's providing a buffer to the Solitary Islands Marine Park, which harbours an enormous diversity of both tropical, temperate and subtropical species. And up on the west side, we've actually got a catchment which includes both urban and agricultural development. In particular, we have previous banana farms and more recently blueberry and a large number of hothouses. And these contribute potential pollutants into our waterways that include both nutrients and pesticides. Luckily, in the lake here, we've got something really special. You can't see it because it's under the water, but we've got a large reef of leaf oysters. These really big oysters are not typically eaten by humans, but they play really important ecosystem services. Shellfish reefs in general have been recognised globally as providing important fish habitat and being really important water filters. But these shellfish reefs globally have been decimated, with estimated only 85% of them remaining today, and in Australia 95% are regarded as functionally extinct. As a consequence, there's a lot of effort going into shellfish reef restoration, but at present we don't know much about our leaf oysters. So here, our team with Southern Cross University students, as well as members of the community, the Woolgoolga Lake Community Group, and the Department of Primary Industries Fisheries, we're investigating the leaf oyster populations. We're doing baited underwater videos, which you can see being deployed from the paddle boats and the kayaks, to investigate the diversity of fish that live in these leaf oyster reefs. We're also taking water samples where we'll be looking at the nitrogen and looking at the bacterial loads in the water to see if these leaf oysters are actually removing these from the water and increasing the health of our estuarine systems. We've also been looking at these estuaries up and down the coast in a number of different places to look at how water quality impacts our leaf oyster populations. And we're definitely finding that poor water quality is leading to the loss of our leaf oysters, in particular in the Richmond River, where we don't find significant leaf oyster populations anymore. So these are really important indicators of environmental health. We need to protect the whole catchment. We need to look at a catchment management approach where we're controlling pollution at the source and thus protecting our environment and the wonderful organisms that live in here. We need our oyster reefs to ensure that we've got healthy estuaries and sustainable fisheries into the future.